This 1920s bungalow is going through a renovation, and of course, you know we're going to take care of windows, walls, doors, everything. All those are small bites of a big job, and that's how you got to do it. You got to break it down into small bites instead of thinking that you have to do this whole grand job at once. One of the small bites today in this 1920s bungalow is, guess what? How bad water intrudes into a house, be it through a plumbing thing, be a roof thing. We're going to show you what happens and what you might see on your house that would be disturbing to you, but we go in and we're like, yeah, we can fix this. I'm also going to show you some of the fixes we did to fix that. Don't mind this hole down here. This is another problem caused by, you guess it, water. If you look up, this house couldn't get the roof taken care of soon enough because it has a historic presence. There's a series of steps you have to take to just get a roof on. So after we demoed out all this nasty 1920s through maybe 50s renovations of bathroom, we are down to the nuts and bolts, the rotted wood that you'll see, the good wood that you'll see, all those things. And we also could see where like the leaks in that bathroom were predominant, like over 50 years. You have kids washing stuff out of a tub, you have people around a toilet that just becomes unseated and then it leaks for 15 years and nobody knows about it. Those are the things it's gonna pop up, and you're gonna see some things around here about rotten wood, and we had a foundation company come in. So in a nutshell, let me tell you what we had to do. This happens to be a confluence in the roof where the whole valley was rotten out. Well, it had leaked for probably 5 or 7 years, and this whole bathroom looked like an abandoned house, right? We had to put new floor joists in. So see, right there, not going anywhere. That's exactly what we wanted because we're putting a new flooring down. When you put tile down, you don't want your new tile to crack because you didn't replace the faulty joists under the house, or you jack it up after you put your stuff in. And termites. Termites are another one that'll do it. What are they looking for when they get in your house? They're looking for water, okay? They're looking for water in the wood, whether it's supplied from a tub or an active little tiny pinhole leak in your plumbing, or the toilet that just, drips a drip every month. They're gonna find it. They're gonna eat through that wood to find the fibers in the wood that have the most moisture in them. And your idea is to don't give them any chance to get in to get that water.
All right, these are 3 windows. We duplicated 4 sashes, one upper that we had to replace, and one lower in the same window, then 2 lowers, and then we did a lower in the bathroom also. But these are just, we just wanted to have you with us while we were replacing them, restringing them, and making them operational again. Make this house the Barbie doll house that it should be. So what we have here is we have a top sash. It was not operational for a long time. There were no weights in here for the top sash. The inside pulleys are just fine. We're reusing those. This bottom sash will hook up to it nicely. Top sash is gonna be stationary, as is all of them. That's kind of the ups and downs of it. We're gonna put this in like a dry fit top, and then make sure that bottom one where they meet is satisfactory, and then we'll attach that top one and get it permanently in.
We are back at the 1920s dilapidated house that we are refurbishing and remodeling. Looked terrible when we got the place to start, and now it's like a beauty inside.
So do you want to see what we've been working on for the past, 6 months?